today's video, we are trying moods. Are they true or busted? First, we have can civilians walk into the restricted areas without getting arrested? Everyone knows that if you try as immigrant go to restricted areas, you will be co-as. So yeah, bro, kill me. Myth is busted. Next, our myth is can civilians survive long without joining a job or group? Everyone knows that you can't die if you're not killed and you don't use any weapons, but like just being civilian citizen, if you're not being killed, you can survive, but it will be really boring. So I prefer you doing some jobs or joining Republic or Confederacy of Independent System, because if you just are like, speed, I need this, I'm kinda homeless. If you're homeless in this game, there's nothing to do. But yeah, next myth. Can civilians become rich just from random roleplay jobs? Yes, you can become rich from like doing taxi jobs or just doing janitor and that garbage job, but garbage and janitor isn't a roleplay mostly. So yeah, you can do taxi job, but there's no you can drop monies, but I don't believe many people will drop you money. Next, we have Confederacy of Independent System myths. Okay, so next we have Confederacy of Independent System myths. First, we have Kansas enter Republic-controlled areas freely. Like, that means like moving around in like here. I know what will happen. You will be shot and yeah, you can't move around freely if you don't have like mod or something. I'm not now killed because this server has so bad Republic team. But yeah, so myth is busted. You will be killed. Okay, so next, this is harder to do, but I will not do this. Like, RSC's droid unstoppable in rage. Well, let's play like I am. It's 100 droids. I'm the 100 droids versus the whole Republic. It's not the easiest job to do. Okay, I'm now helped by one. Yeah, myth busted. You can't be unstoppable in rage. Next, can seize control Coruscant if they organize enough players? I can't do that right now because I don't have any fans to do this. But if you want to join on my videos in the future videos, join my Discord. It will be down in the description. Next, we will go to the Galactic Republic myths. So next, Galactic Republic myths test. Do Republic soldiers always win against Sith? That's not true. Not even close. You will die eventually if you don't use hacks. Even if you were the top 1 player, you will die eventually to the traders if there is just enough. So Myth is busted. You can't win against raiders always. So yeah, this is almost same as the Conference of Independent System. Are you unstoppable against Galactic Republic? Yeah. Next, can Jedi stop any arrest or execution instantly? In a RP roleplay, yeah, but no. I think this myth is busted for sure. I can't now make it because I don't have any fans to do it with. Okay, last one. Is the Republic the most powerful faction in every server? Not always true. It's not always true, but mostly I have seen CIS taking the server. I think CIS players are more better, and they are mostly like master, sergeant, or sergeant first class or upper classes in Republic. Sometimes there's troops and cadets playing Conference of Independent System, and they are not that good because they're new. Sometimes some players just play alt accounts, but yeah, I think personally, and always not true, and I know that because I have played this game over 33 hours, and I have played when the game was in the 100 active players, and the 100 to 400 players. 100 was always in the mornings, and daytimes mostly was 325 players to 200 only playing. So yeah. So thank you for watching this myth busting video, and if you want more of this content, you should join my Discord server. It will be, the code to my server will be down below in the description. And thank you for watching this video, and sorry for my bad English. Even I got 10 on my English test. No English test, my grade thing, but yeah. So this is the video's end. I hope I will see you next time on my videos. Goodbye.